What's up? It's Kath from knitting.com, and I have a quick beanie pattern just for you. I posted a really quick tutorial of this beanie on TikTok and people seem to like it. So I thought I'd post a more detailed one here too. This is an easy project that beginners can easily follow. So if you want a new awesome hat, stick around. As always, everything I'm using will be in the description below. Let's start. First, make sure that your knitting machine is on tube mode. This is the letter T on the lower right side of your knitting machine. This beanie is about 112 rows, so we're dividing that by 2. We're making 56 rows of each color. The first thing you'll do is pick your first color. The order doesn't really matter here. I'm going to start with this navy blue. To cast on, you're just going to weave the yarn over and under each one of the pegs. It's important to go slow and steady for this stage of the pattern. You need a stable foundation to work on so your knitting machine is less inclined to drop stitches. Once you're done casting on, you can now feed your yarn through the yarn holder. We're using the middle tension for this project. Crank your handle slowly for the first few rows. Make sure that your knitting machine isn't dropping any stitches. Fun fact, you need to find yarn that your knitting machine likes if you want a smoother knitting experience. Unfortunately, my knitting machine is a bit temperamental. Okay, so we're doing 56 rows of each color. I'm going to speed this up and I'll be back once it's time to switch. Okay, now that you have 56 rows, it's time to change the yarn colors. So this will be really easy. Leave about 3 to 4 inches of yarn tail on your first color and cut. Then remove it from the yarn holder. Take your second yarn color and make a tight knot. You can use the double knot or the Russian join method linked below and in the cards. I'm just using the double knot. We won't be able to see this knot once we cinch the hat anyways. Now feed the new yarn color in the yarn holder and back into the middle tension. Slowly crank the knitting machine to knit the new color into your fabric. Continue knitting until you have 112 rows in total. By the way, if you're watching this far into the video, why not drop a like and subscribe down below? Side note, look at how cool the colors are. I'm really excited to see the finished piece.
Wow!
Anyways, back to knitting. So now that we have 112 rows, it's time to cast off. Now wrap your yarn around your knitting machine once. That's the length of the yarn tail we need to gather up all the stitches. Lift up the yarn tail from the yarn holder so the knitting machine doesn't accidentally pick it up. To cast off, we're just going to make one round without knitting any new stitches. Thread the yarn through your darning needle and slowly pick up each stitch off the pegs like how I'm doing it now. Once you reach the final peg, make sure to insert your needle right through the very first stitch to complete the circle. Set your knitting machine aside since we no longer need it. Now lay your work flat on your table and make sure you have the knit side of your fabric facing out. This hides where we join the yarn colors together. Then stitch one side of your beanie by pulling on the long yarn tail. Once that end is cinched, tie a double knot to secure the tail. Go to the opposite side and pull on the yarn tail there as well. Tie a double knot to secure the yarn tail here too. Push one end towards the inside of the other cinched end. Pierce one yarn tail through the middle and tie them together. Then hide them inside the hat. And you're done. And here's your reversible beanie. Business in the front and party in the back, or something like that. If you want the plain beanie, you can just wear the blue side out. If you want more color, you can wear the colorful side out. If you want both, you can fold the bottom to create a brim, sort of like a peekaboo type of style. I hope you like this quick and easy tutorial. We have one for a machine knit balaclava linked in the screen and in the description below. If you want more free knitting patterns, join our newsletter linked in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you for next week's tutorial.